right?
Myntri ke tnat khlaw jong Jylla James Sangma hynne tarik Risaw Pyllait yalai Tylli ki kali ban pyndonkam ban Pyllait ya ki mrad khlaw kaba kum ka wildlife rescue vehicles bat kane ka program Pyllait kali kalalong Sylvan House ha jingdonlang PCCF HoFF ba B K Lyngwa AOCCF lembat Chief Wildlife Warden H C Chowdary bat kiwei ki ophisar ka jingthied ya kini ki lightly kali kadai ka ba kilayo na ka project elephant kabade ka scheme jong sorkar pdeng jong katanat Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change for Wildlife Rescue purpose bat kini ki kali kila shong haduh sapwe lak tingka borot lightly uba B K Lyngwa oleh itu baya kini ki kali pyndonkam habal prokram tura was Garo Hills District but Shillong is Khasi District.
One will be used in prokram. One will be used in Tura. Tura means for the surround for West Garo Hills District. One will be used in Shillong for East Khasi District, and then subsequently the other vehicles will be deployed in the other districts where there are cases of wildlife depredation and interaction. These are the first set of properly equipped rescue vehicles. Along with the rescue, we got three recently. And we plan to get 3 more. I think. We will treat the elephant in situ. We'll make a temporary closure around that thing.
This is only for the small vehicles. Small animals. They can be transported.
So transporting personnel and equipment.
Nakaliang H Chowdary ulay tu pada kajingyo ya kini kali onla ban ajinger ya ki mrad khlaw lemru bat kipat ba khamtam le ya kitu kisnong bejuan bah ki hati sesnong.
These vehicles there will be quick mobility. And then we will be having these vehicles are equipped with certain equipments which can be used to contain the movement of elephant, monitor the movement of elephant, and also to divert the movement of elephant and also to control the crowds because it has a PA system. Many times when elephant enters the habitations, a lot of crowd accumulates and that crowd creates problem in instigating the elephants further. So for that it is equipped with all these PA systems, restraining systems, and then it is also equipped with the tranquilizer guns because many times we need to basically to sedate the small animals, especially even the elephant. Suppose if it is wounded or injured or is too if it becomes too dangerous, then to the humans, then we can by using these guns and under the supervision of trained veterinarian, we can sedate the animal. Then these vehicles will also be utilized to rescue the animals which have either been injured or strayed into habitations, or it has been orphaned. Mother has been suppose its mother has been posed or has suffered some casualty. Then to provide proper security to the young ones, these vehicles can be used and means they have the facilities of proper care so that animal could be transported safely to the rescue centers or zoo.